Welcome back and welcome to another Simply Solved with Win. In this video, we're going to learn how to write exponential function using the two given points. If you have already seen the previous video, we have a point that starts with 0 and then that's another number and we can easily find what is a. In this example, we do not see 0. So how do we do this? Don't worry, and we're going to work on this together. Everything has a form, has a structure, and in our math and all these functions, equations, they all have their form. So the form is y equals a times b raised to the x. And our first step is to simply plug it in, or we call it substitute. Remember, this is your x and this is your y's. So we're plugging slowly. Pick up your pencil or pen and let's plug in together. Y is 2 over 5 equals. You leave A here because you don't know what A is yet. We'll find out. And we don't know what is B, and your X is 1. So you'll finish the first plugging and we call it equation 1. And then we're going to do the same thing for the second pair. And our y is our a. We will find out later. B, and remember this is x, so you put x is here. All right. You just finish the most important first step. We substitute x and y's. I call it equation 1, equation 2. Of course, you have different ways to do. You can isolate B, isolate A, whichever you like, but I'm going to show you a little bit different way how to do this. I'm going to use equation 2 divided by equation 1. I'm going to rewrite it, okay? So equation 2, I'm going to write it here, and I'm going to let it completely, totally divided by equation 1. I know you probably did not see this before, but it's all good. The logic is the same as you learned before. Did you say AA here? You can simply, that's right, cancel out. Okay? All right. This means what? I hope you recognize, oh, that is the division. We need to keep the base and subtract the exponent, right? And something you learn from Algebra 1 if you use the beautiful Larson book that is in chapter 8. Okay? All right. So you keep the base, you subtract the exponent, you have a b raised to the 2. And how do we do this? We need to do keep it, change it, and flip it. And I hope you are dividing it. Keep it, change the division into, that's right, multiplication. And then you're going to do what? You're going to flip it. Okay, so b squared is, very good, b squared is 4. Remember, b squared is 4, and you need to take a b. The only one is 2. Very good. So 2 is a positive one. So you need to take the positive solution. B is 2. All right, I'm going to erase something here. I just erased the things on the scratch paper. That's a scratch paper. And we call it B is 2. Okay, we just solve together B is 2. And now you can pick one of the equation. You're going to figure out what is A. And you can pick 1, you can pick 2. I'm going to pick the first one because it's going to be simpler. So I pick the first one. And I'm going to plug in, substitute one more time. Find out what is A. And B is 2. Okay, all right. Go ahead and pause the video and give it a try. Find out what is A. Okay, for those students who need a little bit of help here, no problem. I'm here to help you. If you don't like to deal with this fraction, what you can do is you can times 5 each side of the equation. So you will have a 2. You'll have a 2 is 10A because you multiplied 5 each side. Okay, this is just one of the way to do it. And then you can solve for A. A is what? Okay, we're going to divide by 10 each side. A is 2 over 10. 2 over 10 is 1 over 5. That's exactly what we're looking for. We want A, we want B. Why? Because we can start to write A is 1 fifth times B is 2 raised to x. This is our final solution. Happy learning. We thank God for this beautiful and peaceful moment that we were able to learn together. We praise you, Lord. Amen.